GARDENA Automatic Water Distributor. Taking time out of your day to water your garden may not seem like a majorly time-consuming endeavor, but the truth is that people often spend hundreds of hours every year simply tending to their garden. GARDENA has set out to change this, and the result is the innovative GARDENA Automatic Water Distributor that will solve all your watering worries once and for all. For under $210, you can now invest in a new age water dispenser and computer box for detailed and precise watering. The GARDENA Automatic Water Distributor can water 6 different areas in your garden on different schedules. So when your flowers need watering in the morning or your grass in the afternoon, it will all happen automatically. This gardening game changer is made in Germany and is even compatible with soil moisture sensors to ensure irrigation happens exactly when your garden needs it. Adjust the water duration, intensity, and schedule with ease. This garden gadget lets you do it all while kicking your feet up. Terrateck Multi-row Market Gardening Seeder. One of the joys of gardening is being able to reap your harvest and cook up some fresh veggies. But the backbreaking labor often hinders our enthusiasm to plant seed beds. Enter the Terrateck Multi-row Market Gardening Seeder, a revolutionary new seeding tool that will have you planting all your seed beds without breaking a sweat. The Terrateck Multi-row Market Gardening Seeder is the best tool on the market. It allows you to plant up to 12 rows in one simple roll. This sophisticated seeder is able to provide adjustable seeding density, and the rows can be spaced anywhere between 2 to 28 inches or 5 to 70 centimeters apart. Another great perk of the Terrateck Multi-row Market Gardening Seeder is that it is able to break up clumps and compact dirt as it goes, leaving virtually no trouble for the gardener. This tool will set you back about $1,360, but it will forever change the way you garden. Edyn. The worlds of smart technology and gardening are finally colliding with the Edyn, smart sensors that will give you never-before-seen information about the conditions of your plants beneath the soil. Simply stick these sensors into the soil, and they will track various factors, such as ground temperature, soil conditions, and moisture level, enabling gardeners to monitor exactly what their plants need for ideal growth. All the information gets sent to an app on your phone, and you can easily tap into a huge database of plants that you may find in your garden. With the Edyn, gardeners will also be able to count on guaranteed recommendations for fertilizer and treatments, and the entire system is powered by solar energy. Considering just how sophisticated the Edyn sensors are, buying them at $120 is a total steal. They're even equipped with weather-aware irrigation. Who even thought we would be doing our gardening from our smartphones too? Top Keeper. There's nothing better than a multifunctional garden tool, and with the Top Keeper attachment, your string trimmer can be turned into a scarifier with ease. This innovative garden gadget was made and patented by experts in the Netherlands, and thanks to its universal attachment, it's perfect for everyone's garden, whether it's spring or autumn. This is one garden tool you'll need in your shed, and it's ideal for tending to both natural and artificial lawns. The versatile nature of the Top Keeper allows for very detailed and high-quality scarifying, ensuring your garden will always look its best with minimal effort. Regular use of the Top Keeper will encourage healthy lawn growth, and at only $513 for this gadget and $25 for the replaceable springs. This is one new age garden tool you should not miss out on. The Top Keeper only weighs about 5 pounds or roughly 2.5 kilograms, so use and storage is a breeze. Hozelock EasyMix 2-in-1. The average household has been found to produce an average of 2,880 pounds or 1,300 kilograms of household waste every year that is perfectly compostable. And the Hozelock EasyMix 2-in-1 is the only garden gadget you'll need to change this. The Hozelock EasyMix 2-in-1 is an incredibly eco-friendly composter made from recycled plastic. Simply place it in a corner of your garden. Add your food waste as needed and rotate once or twice a week. This composter will contain all the unpleasant and odors and keep critters out for peaceful composting. In just 6 to 8 weeks, the compost is ready, making it 3 times faster than its competitors. And what's super impressive is that at 75% capacity, the Hozelock EasyMix 2-in-1 can produce up to 50 kilograms or 110 pounds of compost that can go right back into your garden. An added bonus is that this gadget will simultaneously create and collect liquid fertilizer that is ready to be used. At only $150, the Hozelock EasyMix 2-in-1 is an investment absolutely everyone should make. Ego Misting Fan. The Ego Misting Fan is the answer we have been looking for, and with this amazing gadget, you'll be able to enjoy a lovely day outdoors, no matter how hot it is. The Ego Misting Fan is said to be the most powerful wireless model you can currently purchase, boasting a remarkable airflow speed of 32 kilometers or 20 miles per hour. The practical tool can easily be transported and set up at the beach or at a lawn party, and it will cool an area of up to 50 square meters or 550 square feet. This sounds almost too good to be true, but it gets better. On a single charge, the Ego Misting Fan is able to run for a whopping 60 hours, but rest assured that it won't ruin the ambience of your peaceful outdoor day, since it operates silently at about 42 decibels, which is about the same as a refrigerator or an aircon. Logosol Smart Log Splitter. The Logosol Smart Log Splitter is the newest technology in wood chopping, and with this simple purchase, you can say goodbye to back pain from cutting your firewood for good. Designed by a Swedish company, this efficient log splitter is a safe and easy way to chop wood or create kindling logs, and it's already a bestseller. With more than 500,000 sold to date, the Logosol Smart Log Splitter uses a sophisticated cutting system. All you need to do is lift the striking weight and let it fall down when a piece of wood has been attached. The striking weight only weighs about 3.5 kilograms or 7.8 pounds, which means that this will still be a nice workout. This splitter can fit logs that are up to 55 centimeters or 22 inches tall, but even the biggest pieces of wood will come apart with ease. This log splitter doesn't even need to be refueled or recharged, and with its super simple use and storage, $127 is a bargain. GARDENA Weeding Trowel. Sometimes it can feel that for every weed we dig out, 3 more spring up in its place, and soon you've pulled out so many weeds that your back aches. GARDENA, the Superman of garden tools, comes to the rescue once again with their simple yet mind-blowing weeding trowel. The gadget is long enough that you never need to bend over to pick up weeds again. Simply push the angled bottom blades into the ground where the pesky weed is, twist and pull back up, and the plant with all its roots will be removed to ensure it won't grow back. When you're done, just aim for the garbage bin and engage the built-in push mechanisms. And within seconds, your garden will be weed-free. And it even has a footrest to ensure long hours in the garden are not exhausting. Whether you are dealing with dandelions or any sort of weed infesting your garden, this $42 tool will do the job. Makita UB002C 36V. This next gadget is a backpack that'll blow you away. Makita is a Japanese company who have created more than 350 amazing tools, but the UB002C 36V is our favorite so far. This leaf blower is nothing shy of revolutionary, and it's everything you could need in a leaf blower and more. The powerful yet quiet engine is equivalent to roughly a 50cc gasoline model, and it's fitted with additional perks like cruise control, overload protection, and the fact that it's suited to both left and right-hand use. At maximum speed, the Makita UB002C 36V offers a whole 45 minutes of continuous use, and its height is also adjustable. The battery is now in the snug and comfortable backup, so that no gardener has to struggle with sore arms the next day again. And it's safe to say that at only $1,100, the Makita UB002C 36V has forever revolutionized the art of leaf blowing. Yarbo. After the wild success of the Roomba, we caught ourselves wondering why there isn't an outdoor version of this new smart cleaning robot. And as it turns out, there is. Yarbo is the hard-working outdoor robot that will take care of your property throughout the whole year. With your smartphone, you can map out your outside area for Yarbo, and he will get right to work mowing your lawn, removing leaves, and even shoveling snow. The lawnmower comes with adjustable height and width settings. Yarbo is also fitted with a powerful leaf blower that can sustain an airflow of 192 kilometers or 119 miles per hour to keep your property shining clean. And when shoveling snow, it throws the snow a whopping distance of 12 meters or nearly 40 feet. With a single charge, Yarbo can do 2 hours of lawn care, 90 minutes of snow shoveling, and roughly 50 minutes of leaf blowing, making it the garden assistant that will never let you down. There are various models of Yarbo available, but the basic setup will cost you approximately $3,400. H2O Wise Water Ring. Traditional garden watering can often end up costing homeowners a ton of time and money. But with the H2O Wise Water Ring, this has all been changed. The water ring system is made from recycled plastic with a total of 45 teeth, locking it in place around the tree. Not only does the H2O Wise Water Ring collect and store rainwater to use for watering, but it also does a lot to prevent soil erosion and damage to the trees. There are 2 sizes available of this revolutionary watering tool: a bigger watering ring with a diameter of 63.5 centimeters or 25 inches, and it has a water flow of about 57 liters, about 15.06 gallons, or 15 gallons per hour. The bigger H2O Wise water ring will only set you back about $50, and the smaller alternative is a 51 centimeter or 21 inch diameter, and a 38 liter, about 10.04 gallons, or 10 gallons, will be a bit less, but both are incredibly environmentally friendly options that will take the stress out of watering. Fiskars Slanghaspel XL. The vacuum cleaners that roll their cord up themselves have arguably been one of the best inventions of modern technology, and now we have watering hoses that do exactly this. The Fiskars Slanghaspel XL is the most advanced way to water your garden, and the whole idea behind this gadget was to make watering your garden a joy. This hose is designed with a wide and low to the ground base to avoid tipping, has wheels for easy transportation, and even rotates 360 degrees to ensure there is no corner of your garden that you cannot reach. Apart from the whole automatic cable winding trick, the Fiskars Slanghaspel XL is also fitted with a 66-foot or 20-meter hose and a sprayer with adjustable jet settings, and is quite stylish. It's convenient to use and store, and to be honest, we don't think watering your garden will ever be the same again. Echo Pro Paddle. Anyone who has a lawn knows that cleaning them can be an absolute nightmare. But as it turns out, there is a gardening gadget for just this job. The Echo Pro Paddle is a game changer for removing debris from lawns in a matter of seconds without damaging the grass at all. And it just turned an extremely painstaking job into one of the easiest. Simply switch on the Echo Pro Paddle and you're ready to go. The paddle attachment is designed to be compatible with other Echo products. But rest assured that after you buy this gadget, you will be hooked at just 22.5 inches or 58 centimeters wide. The Echo Pro Paddle is the perfect tool to get into even the trickiest hiding spots. The specialized rubber fins can remove anything from pine needles and gravel to mulch and acorns from a lawn with ease. And it's one of the best tools modern landscapers and gardeners use. The Echo Pro Paddle retails for about $300, but the time and effort it will save is worth much more. Ryobi OLP1832B. Studies show that there are roughly 600 serious accidents that happen annually due to the dangers of tree trimming, but thanks to the advancements in technology, we can now count on much more sophisticated gardening equipment that takes the strain and hazard out of tree pruning. The Ryobi OLP1832B is the latest and best cordless pruner on the market that will make tree pruning a breeze. With a long, thick handle and rubber handling pads for stability, this tool will reach where you can't and get the tree pruning job done. It can easily cut branches up to 1.3 inches or 3.3 centimeters thick, and it's powered by a strong battery to ensure there are no cord struggles during garden maintenance again. The Ryobi OLP1832B works with OnePlus technology and offers about 120 minutes of operation on a single charge, which will be more than enough to get all your pruning done. Investing in this super cool gadget will set you back about $220, but rest assured that it will be a life-changing tool. Ryobi ODT1800. Ryobi is on a serious roll with their innovative gardening gadgets, and when you purchase the Ryobi ODT1800 for only $300, the days of painstakingly digging holes for your new plants will be a thing of the past for good. This all-purpose digging tool is equipped with advanced technology like electronic kickback protection that keeps it steady when hitting rock or hard clay sand. The Ryobi ODT1800 is able to effortlessly dig holes for plants, fence posts, or anything else you need. The next level tool can drill holes that are 150 millimeters or 6 inches in diameter and 800 millimeters or 31.5 inches deep, taking all the hard work out of a day out in the garden. Equipped with a battery system that can drill 30 holes on a single charge and OnePlus technology, it's everything the modern gardener could need and more. The cherry on the cake is that it also has a reverse function for effortless removal, proving why it's the ultimate garden tool. Check out this video to see some of the coolest tools you didn't know about.